can I have a large iced coffee with almond milk, sugar, and unsweetened vanilla flavoring in it? Yep. Good morning, vlogmas. I think it's day 10. Is it day 10? Day 10. Wild, crazy. Hold on one second while I go close my door. Alright, so if you guys have been following along on my vlogmas journey, then you know that today was hat day. Yesterday was plaid day at my school. We were doing 12 days of dress up. Here's a little picture if you want to participate. But so today's hat and sunglasses day. I was supposed to have this lovely holiday hat from Tipsy Elves. Didn't come in time. But I know there's another holiday hat day, so I'll probably just wear it then. So today is just a Nike hat. Classic me, you know? I did want to show you a couple things this morning, so let's do that. So first thing, I did move my small group table and like all this stuff, and I think it looks cute minus that. I want to figure out how I want to organize my stuff back here, and what my thoughts are is that this area will be for all of my like small group supplies and like manipulatives that I use often and whatever here, and like put all my professional development books back here, all that jazz. These cubbies will be for reading materials for next year, because next year we have a new reading curriculum for 4th grade, so we'll put that there. This cabinet will stay as all my math manipulatives, like long-term storage, stuff I don't use all the time, stuff I'm not using currently, like using fraction bars right now, but like at the beginning of the year we don't need fraction bars or like protractors, so keep that in there. And then that cabinet will be all my science stuff. That's what I'm thinking for next year. I'm definitely gonna have to like move things around and like kind of figure it out. I don't know. And then all these cabinets down here and this big tall one, I'm thinking I'm gonna put like Kleenexes. I mean, I already have that stuff pretty much for the most part over here. That one as well. Just like all the extra like pencils, things like that that kids bring in. That's what I'm thinking of putting there. So like basically like supplies, it's gonna go in these. So like my stuff over there, reading stuff over there, math and science stuff over there. So basically all the stuff I need is gonna be on that side. And then this side here will be like long-term storage of like extra things kids bring in, pencils, whatever, yada yada yada. And then I already showed you guys over here, I'm putting out like supplies that kids can grab, so they won't grab from those cabinets, they'll just grab from back here. And I don't know if I ended up showing you guys the kind of like semi-finished product. Here's my library. Like I said, I want to get a rug, like a little beanbag chair, some pillows to make it comfy cozy, and that's kind of the plan. I know it's kind of crazy to start already thinking about next year, but my thought process is I would like to have mostly everything organized the way I want it and try it out this year, so that way next year I know it works, at least works with this group of kids, so that way it'll be easy peasy next year. I am also having crazy thoughts of doing a new classroom theme. I have thought about potentially doing like a Harry Potter theme. The problem is that everything is already organized and like hung up with my like vintage bloom, I think that's what it was called, whatever. You guys know, I got it from TPT, and like flowers and stuff like that, vines. I already have it all decorated, so do I really want to take it all down and start from scratch? I don't know, but I think a Harry Potter vibe could be cool, especially if I'm self-contained next year, which I'm gonna be self-contained next year, supposedly. I think that would be fun, and I could do table groups with like house points, so each table will be a house. I don't know, I think it could be fun. So that's kind of what I've been thinking about lately. It's like how I'm going to organize my room next year. I think I'm getting to that point in time where I just want to like reorganize things, because right now things aren't working the way I want them to work, and I want them to be organized. So I don't know, but this morning I have to make coffees for today. Hopefully I'll have time to make coffees for tomorrow. Oh my gosh, hash brown down the wrong tube. And then yesterday I already went and planned out most of my stuff for next week. I still have to do my small group stuff, but that means I have to also grade the math test from yesterday for my afternoon group. But most of my stuff is planned out, so that's good news. So I'm gonna get to it this morning, and I'll catch up with you guys probably at lunch, because I have a meeting today during planning. So yeah, lunch. Hi everyone, I'm sorry for the lighting, but I need to sit in the dark right now. It is now planning. I was supposed to have a meeting. It got canceled because they went ahead and just did the IEP without us, because they had all the data they needed because we sent it to them already. So that's good. But so this morning went okay. We did adding fractions. My kids seemed to get it. Went around, checked their exit tickets. They all got it, so that's good. That's the first. I've never had them all get it. And then we did science. So we took magnets, and I had them walk around in groups and just like share their magnet wand things and find magnetic and non-magnetic objects around the room, and then just categorize them. So we did that. That was lovely. So that's what I'm going to start with my afternoon group once they come back in from fine arts. Take them out to recess, lunch, come back and do adding fractions. Hopefully it goes well with them as well. That would be just like the icing on the cake for the day. But I'll let you guys know how it goes. Well, did not go well. We didn't even get to do the experiment. Literally didn't even get to start doing the experiment. I'm so frustrated. I'm not even gonna talk about it. I'm done. I'm not gonna talk about it. See you guys after school. Hello people. I've actually been home now for about maybe 30 minutes. I did not have a great afternoon. Honestly, I'm kind of just over today, and I just want to end the vlog, so I'm sorry it was a short one. Sorry there wasn't really much to it. That's it. I will see you guys tomorrow with hopefully a much more upbeat Vlogmas.